Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ashland County, Holmes County, southwestern Wayne County until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:51 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Nashville and moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Shreve, Millersburg, Holmesville, Kilbuck. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45